What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to remove a domain from your Shopify store, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So let's hop on to the business. So I already taught you how to enter a third-party domain such as GoDaddy to your Shopify store. So if you want to remove them, what is the process? So if you no longer want a third-party domain associated with your Shopify store, you can remove it from your Shopify admin. If the third-party domain is your primary domain, then you need to change your primary domain before you can remove the domain. So if you've done everything, so the steps are as follows. So the first one is from your Shopify admin, go to settings and domains. Click the name of the domain that you want to remove and just easily press delete domain and click remove again to confirm. After you remove a third-party domain, you can change your DNS settings in your domain provider account to the point it another website. If you want to use your domain name for your Shopify store again after you remove it, then you can reconnect it in your Shopify admin, which I taught you earlier. So the settings option is over here. You just click on it and find domains option, which is quite visible. Click the name of the domain that you want to remove, click delete domain and just click remove again to confirm. So basically that's the entirety of the process. So as I mentioned earlier, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. We are posting 20 plus tutorials every single day, so make sure to check them all out. And also if we did not cover something and you need additional help, make sure to write it down in the comment section below. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.